Hi guys, my name is Vincent Fuya, your digital marketing expert here in Kenya, and today I want us to talk about CDN or content delivery networks, and specifically I want us to talk about Cloudflare. So I'm going to show you how to connect your website with Cloudflare and also tell you some of the advantages that your website is going to have if you are connected to Cloudflare. So what Cloudflare does, it connects the visitors of your website directly without the visitors having to load your website every time from the hosting server. Cloudflare is like a bridge between the visitors and the website. So let's go into Cloudflare, and so I can show you how to connect your website with Cloudflare. So the first thing that you're supposed to have is you're supposed to go to your hosting company. Mine is Truehost. Then you go to the domain list. So you're going to select the domain that you want to connect with the Cloudflare. So once the list is here, so you click here, and then I'm going to search for this one, nameservers. This is the point of contact between your website and Cloudflare. So as the nameservers are loading, let us also log in into the Cloudflare website. Yes, so I'm just going to connect it directly to my Gmail. It's very easy to connect with Gmail, but if you don't have, you can use the other option. You can also create an account. So this is the Cloudflare dashboard, and what you're going to do is just going to add a new domain so that we can see how we can connect it. You click here, then you add your domain here. Here we have it. Just click on that one. Everything else you just leave as it is, then you click on continue. Yes, so for this one I'm going to use the free plan just to show you how to connect it, but of course we have the other pro, business and the enterprise options, but for this one we're going to select the free plan. We connect it using the free plan. Yes, so after it searches, everything is going to be, because we selected the automatic, so everything is automatic. So you just scroll down, don't change anything here. All this is okay, don't change anything. Just go directly to continue to activation. Click on that one. So this is where the magic happens. You see, update your name servers. You remember our name servers here? So we are going to replace the original name servers from the hosting company, and then we are going to replace them with these ones from Cloudflare. So we select this one, use custom name servers. So these ones are the original from the hosting company. So we are going to delete these ones, the three of them, and then we are going to come back to Cloudflare, copy the first one, paste, copy the second one, and then paste. Then you click on change name servers from your hosting company. Yes, so as you can see here, changes saved successfully. So now instead of visitors getting our website direct from the hosting company, is going to be connected to Cloudflare. So you come here to Cloudflare, and then you scroll down, and then click I updated my name servers, so that Cloudflare can go see that it has changed and then connect. Yes, so as you can see, we are verifying your domain is pointing to Cloudflare. This typically takes 1 or 2 hours, but may take up to 24 hours. So from here, you just wait. Once the website is connected, it's going to appear on Cloudflare directly. Then now it's going to be pointing from Cloudflare and not from your hosting company. So with that, that's the end of it. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow my channel. Bye-bye.